Hello guys, welcome to my channel Smriti's vlog. আৰু এতিয়া ৰাতিপুৱা সময় প্ৰায় 5:10 হৈছে গতিকে সকলোকে গুড মৰ্নিং সুপ্ৰভাত জনাইছো সকলোৰে যেন দিনটো মংগল হয় শুভ হয় আৰু ভিডিঅটো চাওক এনজয় কৰক যদি ভাল লাগে প্লিজ লাইক কৰিব শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fading, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
মই মোৰ ৰাতিপুৱাটো এনেদৰে আৰম্ভ কৰিলোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকে এই লকডাউনৰ সময়ছোৱাত এনেদৰে হেল্থি থাকক আৰু হেল্থি খাওক আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে সামৰিছোঁ